Here in Beijing now on Wang Fujing Street, the pedestrian street. So it's super touristy, lots of shops, bits and pieces, food. Yes, let's check it out. It's a Saturday, so it should be lively, but let's see. Hey Chalet, is that like a Gap type thing? Look like, innit? It takes forever to get anywhere, and public transport seems a bit dead. Not many options for most places to get to. And it's a nice evening actually. It's like 24 degrees, which is perfect temperature. Not too hot, not too cold. Yeah. And let's have a look in there. Let's check out this chocolate museum. That's very different. So all this is made of chocolate. Look at that. It smells delicious. It smells good. That's pretty cool. So we've got the Great Wall here in chocolate version. And it's real chocolate, you can smell it. Really cool. We've got all the high-end shops here. We've got Cartier over there, Rolex, Omega. So if you want to shop, this is the spot to come to. Not the fake stuff, so that we're going to do later tomorrow. But this is the real deal here. I think prices should be slightly less, but not much. Alright, look, check this out. We've got these horses here. It's all in Cantonese, so I don't know what it says, but they look cool. Here we've got some 3D posters to rival the ones in Japan. Check this. That's pretty cool actually. Building, it's like got a lighting transparency that runs across it. That's very unique. I've never seen that before. That's super cool. It's a big crossway here. Check this, having a dance off. Don't know what it's made of, but I'm having fun doing it, I'll tell you that. Okay. There's a lot going on out here. Some of it I don't understand, but it's interesting for me. Yeah, look, it's all over the shop. They're dancing like everywhere. Ah. So check this. It's got all different lagers. And yeah, lagers, alcohols, cocktails, you order them up from here. Never seen that before. Look at this. That is very unique. German lager. We got Guinness. What else we got? A lot of lagers basically. Yeah, it's just a public tap. That's very cool. Yeah, I've never seen that before. That's a first. A lot of it is in Cantonese, so I don't understand it, but yeah. Got some strawberry cider there, or strawberry beer. Yeah. The prices seem reasonable as well. Look at this, giant dance off. Traditional dance in the middle. Yeah, they get down over here, just on the street side. Everywhere and anywhere. Just dancing upside the street. Seems like it's very popular. That's the older generation as well. Everyone gets it in. It's a Gold G here, look at him. He is shining. So we're in an area now called Taku Li. Look at this. Tam Burns, and I got some giant dog in there.